Hey loves, welcome to your course, whether that is 8 o'clock World History 101, 9:30 World History 102, or Intro to Africana Studies, which is HIS 204 at 11 o'clock. You will all enter into our virtual class session tomorrow the exact same way. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your courses. First, wait, let's select your courses. Let's just go to World History 1, and I'm going to change it so it looks like student view. So, uno momento, por favor. All right, so I changed it so it looks like yours because mine looks considerably different from yours. So what you're going to do to enter our class tomorrow, you are going to click on the link on the left-hand side of the page that says Blackboard Collaborate right here. When you click on Blackboard Collaborate, the page will load and then it will say click here. You must click the link that says click here. If you click World History 1 Course Room or World History 2 Course Room or Intro to Africana Studies Course Room, you are going to be in a room alone. We will not be in that room. So we are encouraging you to click here. When you click here, it's going to say join meeting. It doesn't say that now because it's not time to go to the meeting, but it's going to say join meeting. I encourage you to arrive on time. There will be a winning opportunity for one of you. I hope you're having a great first day of classes. I look forward to meeting you in the morning. Remember, we are not having the traditional face-to-face lecture in our classroom. You will be on the line, on the good Blackboard Collaborate in the morning. I'll see you soon. Be prepared to have your cameras on. Have a great day. Love you unconditionally. Bye.